Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Drive by SZA, and I'm going to teach you how to play the riff that you hear in the song, as well as some chords that you could play along to the rhythm of the song. But first, here's a little sample of how it's going to sound like. Driving, just drive, just trying to get my head right. It'll all be better when I just trying to get my head right. So you need a capo on the 2nd fret. Every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You're gonna need to know 3 chords for the entire song, and those chords are B minor 7, F sharp minor 7, and A major 7. All right, and here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. So first chord is a B minor 7, and so we're gonna bar the 2nd fret, and then we're gonna put our fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string. It's gonna sound like this. Second chord is gonna be F sharp minor 7, so we're still gonna bar the 2nd fret, and we're just putting our finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Last chord is A major 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. Alright, so first I'll go over the riff with you that you hear throughout the entire song. So we're going to start at the B minor 7. And our fingers that are on the 3rd and the 4th fret, what we're going to do is we're going to hammer on and off as we strum the 4 middle strings. So it's going to be like this. Okay. And then we're going to use our pinky to pluck the B string of the 6th fret, and we're going to hammer off. And then we're going to use our ring finger to pluck the G string on the 5th fret. So it's going to sound like this. Then we're going to pluck the A, D, and G string, and we're going to use our ring finger to hammer on and off of the 4th fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. So one more time. Okay. Then we're just going to pluck the 4 middle strings and play an A major 7, and we're going to hammer on to the 2nd frets of the B string. So all together it's going to sound like this. Okay, excuse the sloppiness, my hands kind of hurt right now, but that's how you play it. If we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 things I want you to notice. The B minor 7, that's getting a full 4 count. And then as we switch from the F sharp minor 7 to the A major 7, we're switching that halfway through a 4 count. And the other thing that I wanted you to notice is that when we play the B minor 7, similar to the riff, I'm hammering on, and then I'm taking my middle finger off. And so when it comes to the strumming pattern for this, what I'm doing is down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So that's how you play the riff, that's how you play the rhythm, and there you have it. Alright y'all, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I really hope that it helped you out and added value to you. If it did, go ahead and comment down below. What's your favorite song on SZA's new deluxe album? and also give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody that wants to learn. And as always, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want more videos like this. And right now there's going to be a video that's popping up on your screen. It's going to be my tutorial on Saturn, so if you want to check that out, go ahead and click it, and I'll see you guys on the next video.